Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about our most popular and finest quality frankincense essential oil. That is the Boswellia Sacra Frankincense, which is the product of Oman. Now this specific quality of essential oil is absolutely amazing. We have been working with it for over 15 years now, and it has worked wonders for so many of our customers. We've got amazing feedback. You can see all the reviews online about this particular product. So what is it? Boswellia Sacra Frankincense Essential Oil is the product of Oman, which means it has the Omani Sacra Frankincense resins distilled to make this particular essential oil. Now there are a variety of different resins you can use to make the essential oil. So we use the higher quality resins to make this grade frankincense essential oil. Now what makes it a med grade is the fact that you can actually consume this, digest it, and take it internally. We get a wide variety of questions on how to take this internally, and one of the best and simple ways to consume this oil is simply just to take 2 drops under your tongue. That's it. So I'm going to show you the 2 sizes that we stock in store, and one is the 10 ml and the other is the 5 ml. Now with the 5 ml, I'm just going to open this bottle. You take your finger, obviously clean of course, and just put 2 drops underneath, and you allow that to be absorbed under your tongue, and it will go into the nervous system, into your body, into the blood. And you should, if you take this regularly, like 2 to 3 times a day, every single day, you should start to reap the benefits pretty much quite immediately, meaning within a week, sometimes even 2 to 3 days. It all depends on your body type, the type of food you eat, the diet, the lifestyle you live. So that is the best way to consume this and take this internally. However, there are other ways you can also take this oil, and you can get as creative as you like with this oil. Really, it's amazing. So some people like to add 2 to 3 drops in a cup of coffee on a daily basis. I like to add it in my water, so 2 to 3 drops in the water, give it a shake and drink that. For other reasons, such as if you want to use it for, if you're feeling drained and tired, you can put 2 drops in the palm of your hands and just rub that like that. Give it a quick rub, and then just, and that will just make you feel good, relaxed, more happier. It goes into your brain. The smell of this is absolutely amazing. The way it works with your neurological disconnection in your brain, it starts to repair things, and you just feel naturally more happier and calm and serene with it. A lot of people have illnesses such as the big C, or illnesses that most popular illnesses are starting with the letter C. So whatever they are, people are finding that when they do take frankincense, whether it is the resin or the sacra oil, that is helping to protect certain DNA cells as a defense mechanism to be affected by harmful DNA cells. Now what do I mean by harmful DNA cells? Is cells that have been affected in a negative way. So for situations like that, we have had a numerous amount of customers where they had some kind of something going on in their brain, and some of our female customers have had issues where there's some kind of something going on in the breast. So what you can do, you can take the essential oil and again 2 to 3 drops and just rub it in directly into the area so it gets absorbed in. Same with the brain. You could just put 2 to 3 drops into the head, directly into the head, and just rub that into the scalp, into the skull, and that will be absorbed into the brain as well. So there are a variety of different ways you can consume this, but there is no harm at all to put it directly to the affected area. Okay, so you can be quite generous with the amount. Does it have to be 2 to 3 drops? Not necessarily. I mean, we recommend 2 to 3 drops because everybody has different skin types, different sensitivities. So just to keep it kind of safe for everyone, we just say 2 to 3 drops. Myself, I would take quite a few drops because it depends on what your level of consumption, how much you can take, and you can increase the dosage regularly as and when you like. For people who like to cover a larger area, so if you have some skin condition or you want to cover the entire back area because of pains and aches, we suggest using natural organic base oils such as oh gosh, there's so many out there, like coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil or jojoba oil, argan oil, so the grapeseed oil. There's so many various base oils out there, so choose your favorite one, and as a ratio to mix the essential oil with the base oil, we suggest for every 100 ml that you have of the base oil, put about 10 to 13 drops of the Sacra oil into the bowl, give it a shake, and you can use that as and when you need to rub it onto your body. It's really good. It smells great as well with the Sacra oil. There are many reviews about our Sacra oil on our website, so you can have a look at www.thefrankincencestore.com. Go to the products page, click essential oils, and look for the Sacra oil, and you will see the reviews of customers and what they are actually saying about this essential oil and how it has helped them. More importantly, try it for yourself, see how you feel. Like I said, frankincense has been around for thousands of years. What we are working with here is the highest quality essential oil, Sacra oil, which has a high percentage of alpha pinene. And when we talk about the chemical composition of frankincense, you can see our test analysis sheet on the website, on the actual product page. So everything is transparent. You can see the results of this particular oil and also customer feedback, and see if you resonate with that. And if there are any questions, you can always email us. It is amazing oil. I can't stress how great this oil is. This is the oil that has really transformed our business, but more importantly, the amount of lives it has helped, the amount of feedback I get, the positive feedback especially, you know, it's really amazing to hear such great news, especially when it comes to people's health. Health is wealth, as we all know. So really look after your health, take care of yourself. For skincare, I mean, you can be shining and glowing in the most amazing ways. Just a couple of drops of this and I'll demonstrate it again. So it's not just for like serious illnesses, but just for your immune system. Like I said, you can consume it in water or a coffee or even a smoothie. Like, it's amazing in a smoothie. But so 2 to 3 drops on your hand again. And just put that here, and this is for men and women. You can just put it onto your, just put on the side here. So any places where you feel you're gonna start aging and you want to protect yourself and kind of stretch and firm your skin, just put it on neat. I suggest even here as well on your nasal passage before you go to sleep. It really helps to unblock the pores and promotes good dreams, and you feel calmer, less stressed. But more importantly, you're going to feel great, you're going to look great, you're going to smell great, and experience it for yourself. So again, www.thefrankincencestore.com. We are based in Notting Hill in London. For those of you around the world watching this video, you can buy online. We post all over the world, and we look forward to hearing your reviews and what you have to say about this oil. Thank you for listening. Do check out our other videos.